Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how to integrate working hour formula. Okay, each and every company they have some certain period of the working hour. For an example, in our company the working hour is morning 9 o'clock to till 6 evening 6 o'clock. Either if you say in the 24-hour format it is 18 o'clock. Okay, so what is the this working hour formula and how does it work? And where usually we use this one. Basically this working hour formula we are using to provide any kind of the planning date to our doers. For example, you have a order system. In the order system, once you receive the order, you might be have the second step that to dispatch the order. For an example, now we received a order within 1 hour that has to be dispatched. So next step is the clearing the dispatch, and for the clearing the dispatch you have a time for the 1 hour. So for example, if I received any order by the 10 o'clock, within 11 that has to be dispatched. If I received by 11 o'clock, then within 12 o'clock that has to be dispatched. So my received time, that is the timestamp when I received the order. And working hour planned, it is mine what is my deadline, what is my maximum time, what is my planned time. Before that I have to be close this step. Okay, so how to do this and what is the formula we are going to be use that. Okay, if you see here, so if I do here that I received the order 10, I'll just type here 10. Now you see I received the order by 30th March 2024 and 10:13, where automatically this time has given to me by 11:13 this step has to be closed. Okay, but for an example that if I received any order after 18, so what will happen? It will take me to the next day morning. Okay, it will take me to the next day morning. So let me put here any time, like let me put here 18. So if you see here, it's taken me to the 1st April 10 o'clock, because morning 9 o'clock our office open. From that 1 hour any order received, it's mean that minimum 1 hour it is required to me to be complete that order. Okay, so morning 9 o'clock our office open, and within 1 hour it's mean 10 o'clock. Before that I need to clear this order. And 30 March received the order, but it's supposed to show me the 31st March, right? 31st March 10 o'clock, directly it's taken to the 1st April. The reason behind it, that 31st March, if you see, that is the Sunday. Okay, that is the Sunday. For let's assume that 1st April you are having a holiday. 1st April you are having a holiday. It's maybe the any reason that let me put here 1st April, like example 1st April, it's a holiday. So what it's supposed to be, it's supposed to postpone to the 2nd April 2024 10 o'clock, morning 10 o'clock. Exactly it's happened to this. You can see here it's postponed automatically. This timestamp, like this planned time, based on the timestamp, it will provide you the planning time. Okay, now let's assume that you received the order before 9 o'clock. You received the order before 9 o'clock, like 8:13. 8:13. You received the order by 8:13. So it's taken same day 10 o'clock, because the morning 9 o'clock office opened and another 1 hour. It's 10 o'clock is your planning time. So how is this actually done? Okay, I'll show you step by step. This video may be little bit longer, so don't miss out any step. Process the same step what I give you the guidance. Okay, so if you do this practice 1 or 2 times, so definitely you can do it in the better customization. Okay, just let me give you another example, that if I receive the order like within this timeline, I received the order like morning 10 o'clock. Okay, so now you see it's giving me 11:30, because this is within working hour from that time to 1 hour. So this is the one. How did I integrate it? Okay, let me create a new spreadsheet and let me show you from the crash. Okay, so here I basically have to create two sheets. One is the holiday, where I have to be write my date and holiday name. These all are the optional. If you want you can escape this, but this is important, where you need to mention the days. But let me keep this for my tracking purpose. Okay, now I have to be right here holiday, right? Like if I have in a month 1 2 3 4, in a year there will be multiple holidays. Okay, so that you need to write down to down, you need to write the days, date, all are dates you need to be mentioned here. For that reason what I'll do, I'll just select here A2 is to A, like enter from start from A2 till end of the A column. I'll just press enter and I'll give a name to this. Okay, example holiday, holiday. So I'll give a name. For example, if I want to give here any kind of the index, I don't have to select this A2 is to A. Directly I can write even hd mean this is my range. And how does it work actually? If I'm in the another sheet, I don't have to go to that sheet to select that range. I just only I can write an index hd, small case uppercase, that doesn't matter. I can write anything. For an example, I just type anything over here, so you can see it's coming here. That's fine. So this is the how also you can give the name to this your data range. So this is most common things and it's most useful also while you are integrating any kind of the formula. Okay, so now let me create a timeline. So like which is my office opening time and office closing time. For example, that my office opening time is 9 and closing time is the 19, either 18. Let me take 18. Okay, so here what I have to do, I have to understand, like within a 9 to 18, if any order received, then I have to proceed within the same day. If before 9 I received any order, then I need to proceed also same day. If I received after 18, then I need to proceed to the next day. Okay, if next day is the Sunday, either holiday, and that also will postpone when is our next working day. So that is our first condition. One condition, I'll just let me just write here all the conditions so that you will easily understand. First condition is that if I received any order after working hour, not before, after working hour, like after 6 o'clock, evening 6 o'clock, if I received any kind of the order, then I want planning date to be next working day and plus opening time plus age given hours to be complete. So what is the meaning of this? For an example, this one, we received any kind of order, like we received it today by like for let me just give you the example like 19, like after 6 o'clock we received. So it should be postponed next day. Opening time is the 9 o'clock and 1 hour. For example, I given you any kind of the order like timestamp. My order receive time is 30/03/2024. It's 30 March 23, sorry 30 March 24, and I received order by 18, 20 and 25 seconds. I received on this time. I received on this time order. My next work is the clearing the dispatch. clearing the dispatch. And how much time I received to complete? 1 hour. Within 1 hour I need to dispatch that. So if my morning 9 o'clock is opening, so minimum 1 hour I need to be clear that. So that's the reason I have to be clear by 10 o'clock. Okay, planning planned working hour. Okay, so morning 9 o'clock opened, 31st 9 31st is the Sunday, 1st of April. 1st of April 9 o'clock my office opening time, and another 1 hour I need to be clear this step. So morning 10 o'clock my planning should be come. So how we need to do this? Okay, so now what I have to do, I need to put a simple if formula. If hour of this, like which hour I received this, if it is greater than 17, why is the 17? I supposed to be take 18, right? So why it is 17? Now if you see here, what is the hour here? 18. Okay, now if I receive the order 18 17:45, 17:45, it doesn't mean that it's near to 18, so let me take 18. No, it's not. We cannot take in that way. So if I pick here hour, it will take 17 only. If it is 15 17:59 also, still it will take 17 only. It will not pick 18. So after greater than 17 mean, it's mean that it's after the working hour, like after the 18 18:1 18:2 18:3 might be this anytime. Okay, so if I take like here 18:03, so it's mean that 18 is my working hour. That is a very simple fundamental. Okay, so let me process this one. If hour of this is greater than 17, then what I want? Then I want workday intl. This is a specifying formula where you can integrate your week offs, also holidays. Okay, I'll just tell you what is the meaning of workday. In intl mean international. Okay, intl mean international, based on the international calculation. Okay, now workday intl, and this is my tat. Tat mean turned around time. Basically what time, from which time to be our calculate turned around time, that's mean that. Okay, so I have to put here one mean next day. Okay, so I'll just tell you this one in another prag. So let me just stop here this one, and I'll show you here another formula. Workday intl, and this is my date, and I want one day. And here one day mean, you can see here it's taken to the next day. Okay, and now you see, because tomorrow is the Sunday, tomorrow is the Sunday, and the next day is taken 1st of April. Okay, but in your company Sunday there is no holiday. When it is your holiday, it is on Monday. For an example, it's, let me assume that in my company Sunday is not a holiday. Week off, not a holiday, sorry, week off. Monday is the week off. So what I have to do here, I need to be integrated. 0 mean working hour and 1 mean week off. Okay, so how to integrate this? It will be integrate Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, like that, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So this is the what our format means, start from Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, this is our format. Now it will ask me whether Sunday is week off. No, Sunday is not a week off. I'll put 0. Okay, now it will ask me Tuesday is your week off. No, Tuesday is not a week off, then 0. Wednesday is your week off. Then no, Wednesday is not week off. Then 0. Thursday is your week off. No, Thursday is also not week off. Friday is your week off. No, that Friday is also not week off. Then Saturday, yes, Saturday is week off. Sunday, then Sunday also week off. So it's start from Monday to Sunday. which date you want to integrate to your week off, there you need to press 1. And where it is not week off, it is your working day, then there you need to press 0. Okay, you can apply multiple also. If 3 week off you are having in a week, so you whichever you want you can select. Now I was given example in our company, Monday is the holiday, sorry, week off, and rest all are the working day. So for that reason, what I have to do, I need to put double zero, and it start from Monday, and Monday date I'll convert it to the 1. So you understood. Now you see it's coming 31 because Sunday is not our week off. So now this is done our week of scenario. One more parameter is that if I show you all the parameter, start date, number of days, weekend and holidays. So it is asking give me your holiday list. So what I have to do, I can just select this list. But already I was given a range name, so that what I'll do here, I'll just type HD. HD mean also it will select this one. I hope you understood this Workday INTL, how does it work. So if you don't want to give next day, like 2 days, sorry, if you want to give 2 day, if you want to complete any task within 2 day, 2 days, so you need to press it 2. Then now you see what happened to this, because tomorrow is Sunday and tomorrow taken 1 day, Monday is your week off, then it's taken to Tuesday, you need to complete by Tuesday end of the day, UOD end of the day, Tuesday end of the day you need to complete this task. I hope you understood. If you want to give 3 days, within 3 days you need to complete the task, you need to press your 3. That's it, that is the concept Word INTL. Okay, so now this is my timestamp. Okay, this is my when I receive the order, then I'll press 1 because I want a next day. Then it is asking me give me your weekend. Weekend is Monday is not week off, then I'll put 0. Like that 6 times 0 I'll put, because Monday to Saturday is our working day and Sunday is our holiday, so week off. So now I'll give the holiday here. Okay, I'll press the enter. But if you see here, it's only giving me the date, it's not giving me any kind of the time. Workday INTL, it doesn't provide the time, it's provide only the date. So for that reason, what I have to do, I have to give here time to this. Time mean I have to just simple, I have to do plus this 9 divided by 24. Okay, let me convert it into the date and time. Sorry, date and time. Now you see it's given you the 9. Okay, so why did I did 9 divided by 24? What is the concept of that? If it is 1 hour, 1 hour, it's mean that 60 minutes I have to be put divided by 24. Okay, so this is the how it's my 1 hour. If you want to convert into any number into the hour, you need to put here divided by 24, because one day having 24 hour. So how many hour you want to put it, like 10 hour, it will show you 10 hour. Okay, so this is the how it's work. Now second thing, here it is there 9 o'clock, but still I want to 1 hour, right? It's morning, 9 o'clock, office will open, another 1 hour I need. So again I'll do plus this time I won't do divided by 24 because already it is in the hour format. I'll just put the enter. Now you see 10 o'clock, it's automatically taken. Okay, I hope you understood this. For an example, 1st of April is our holiday. Okay, let me just put here 1st of April, sorry, 042024 is our holiday, is the 1st April. 1st April is the April Fool, so that office is off. 1st April. So now you see 2nd April 10 is taken. If let me assume that 2nd April is also holiday due to XYZ reason, it's taken automatically 3rd of April. So I hope you understood this. This is the word first concept. Now if has three parameter. One is your logical expression. Second, if logic is true, then this will run. If logic is false, then what is the things? Now here you need to put the comma for the next logic. Okay, for the next logic. So what is our next logic? Next logic is that if order received before office opening time, then planning time or date, it will be same day if that day is not Sunday or holiday. Then it's mean that I'm telling if I received any kind of order, okay, if I received any kind of order before 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock is our office opening time, I received by 8 o'clock. If I received by 8 o'clock, then here I want that it should be same day 9 o'clock plus 1 hour. But assume that I received on 31st. 31st I received a order from our client on the online punching order, in online order. 31st. But 31st is Sunday, right? It should be postponed to the 3rd of April because 1st and 2nd is our holiday. It should postpone to the 3rd of April, morning 9 o'clock plus 1 hour. 1 hour is our dead working time. Like that is our duration of the work. So if that is not Saturday or Sunday, then it will consider the same day. If that is Saturday or Sunday, it will consider the next working hour. So that is my second concept. If I just let me complete this. If that is not Saturday, Sunday or holiday, then same day plus opening time plus age given timeline to clear the task. I hope you understood this. If not, please start it from second condition and watch it again. Okay. So let me just put a formula over here. Okay. Let me put here a formula. Let it be that I will not touch this formula. Let me put here. Okay. So what is the formula? If hour of this, if hour of this is less than is our office opening time. Now this time I don't have to do -1 because what is the reason behind it? Last time I was given the 17. 17 either whatever you give like office opening to closing time -1 also you can type. Okay. So this one what you have to do it. So if it is before than that, then it will check work day INTL. This is my working like order receipt time, comma. Then here I'll put, let me put 0. Let me assume that today is not Sunday and today is not also holiday. Let me assume that. Then I'll put a 0. Same day I will take. Okay. Then comma, as it is our holiday planning, so week of planning. Then 1 based on your company policy. Then HD. Okay. I put it here. It's taking same day 30. And here is our opening time. Opening time is mean 9 divided by 24 again plus 1 hour. Okay, so it's taken here 10. But what if is today Sunday? Also still what it will show you, it will show you to complete on the Sunday only. The because I put it here 0. If I put here 1, then only this workday INTL will work, or else there is no use of this. If you put here 0, if you think that today is Sunday, tomorrow, today you will not take, tomorrow will not take, tomorrow is the holiday, day after tomorrow will not take, it will take off directly third, so it won't work. If you put it 0, it will never work. If you put here 1 only, it will work. So how to put 0 or 1? Okay, there is also a fundamental, I'll just tell you. So let me put any date here, 30 March 2024. So today is which day? Is our Saturday. Today is our Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. Okay, 25 is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so what is the our weekday? Weekday mean what is the week number? Sorry, day of the week, like first day of the week, second day of the week, or third day of week. How to know that? Okay, for that there is a simple formula that's called weekday. So it will give you the position of the week, and here it start from Sunday. Sunday mean 1, Monday mean 2. Okay, like that it's work. Then again here it will come Tuesday mean 3, Wednesday mean 4, Thursday mean 5, 6, again 7, again it start from 1. So like that. So if it is Sunday, then it will give you the 1. Let me just change your date and let's see the magic. Here is the 1. Simple, I can put here if weekday of this is equal to 1, then give me 1. Apart from that, if any other date, give me 0. I got it right. Now if I put here 30, it's giving me 0. If it is Sunday, then it's giving me 1. Okay, so this same formula I'll just copy and I'll paste in this place, because Workday until doesn't work if you put 0. There is no use. Okay, so that case only we need to put this. If it is weekday, if it is Sunday, then it will give me 1, either it will give me 0. Now you see it's automatically postponing to the that. If I put it 3rd of March, so 30th of March, then it will give, okay, it's taken G6. Sorry, it's not G6 actually. That was for example, I was taken G6. I'll just select now A6. Okay, G6, it was just for example. I'll just erase this one. Now I'll just select this 30. 30 means it will give you the same day. If I put 31st, then it will give you the 3rd, because 31st is my Sunday. But for example, you received any order on holiday. Holiday means 1st of April, 2nd of April, this is your holiday. Then what happened? Holiday, it is not, it may come on Sunday, it may not come on Sunday. So in that case, what will happen? If I'll put 01, it will tell you to close the task on 01 only. Sorry, this is the April 04. It will tell you to close the task on 1st of April, because we integrated here only Sunday, not a holiday. So that case, what I have to do? I need to do a match function. MATCH. 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 What it will match? It will match which date I have received the order. I have received the 1st April 2024. Okay, if I do match directly, it won't take, because 8 20 25 there is a time I need to remove this time. I need to take only the date. So for that reason, I need to take date value. What is the date value? Date value mean if I put here date value, it will extract only the date, not the time. It will not extract the time. It will extract only the date. So it will be easy to make match of this, mean lookup of this. So you can find. Okay. So it will pick up only the date value. Okay, so now what I'll do a match function, match, match date value of this from date value. Here is also my date value because it will come in value format. Here also I have to do it in a date value, a is to a, then comma 0. I want exact match. Okay, enter. Now you see it's giving me 1. If it is 2, then it is giving me 2 because it is in the second position from my database. For an example, let me just put here 1 and let me just put here 2. So 1 it is the second place, 2 is the first place. Now you see what will happen? It is the 2, it will give me 1 only because first position on my database, it is giving me the position. However, it will be 100% greater than 0 if it is available. If it is not available, then what? If error, then it will give you 0. Okay, so now what you have to do, this entire thing you can keep in if formula. If this greater than 0, then give me 1. Either give me you 0 here. What happened to this argument array formula match? 1 minute, let me just check it out, this one. Okay, so this is the what formula. I need to copy this. If this is greater than 0, then give me 1, either give me 0. It may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, but it will give you 1 only. I don't want 3, 4, 5 days. I want only 1. Apart from that, automatically it will take a holiday, it will extract your Sunday. Okay, mean your week offs. So it will provide you 1 and 0. Our requirement is 1 or 0. 0 when it is required, if that day is not Sunday or a holiday. If that day is Sunday or a holiday, I want just 1 only. Okay, so now this part I'll just copy. Okay, now I'll come back to this. Now instead of this 0, I'll place that. Okay, why did I did this? Now you see, it will first checking, it will check whether it is Sunday. If it is Sunday, it will give me the 1, or else it will check holiday. If it is not holiday, then I want a 0, or else I want 1 only. So if it is not Sunday, directly if it is giving me 0 mean, then holiday it will not count. Okay, if you don't know if formula, please watch that first so that you will get better knowledge on this. Then let me press the enter here. Now you see it's giving me first of I received the order on 1st of April 2024 8:20, and it's giving me 2 April 2024 2 April 2024. It's my holiday, but it is not supposed to be show here. Then why it is showing? It's supposed to not show, right? Let me just check out. It's good that I got the error, so that if you get also this kind of error, then you can check out this one also. Okay, now here if you click from here to here, you will get what is your output. Is output is 0 is providing. It's not supposed to provide you output 0. Okay, so now what is error on this? Let me just figure it out. Okay, I'll just click here and I'll copy this part and I'll come back to this. I'll just put here enter. Now it's giving me 0. It is checking whether week of is equal to 1. Let me just check here. Then no, it is not 1, it is 3. Then it will not look up this, it will come to this parameter. Now if error match date value of this one, holiday A2 is to A. Now here instead of holiday I can write, but still this is not also uh, wrong, this is also fine. Holiday date value of this 0. Okay, I understood why this is, because date value it doesn't work with range output. For an example, if I put here, sorry, if I put here date value like this, it will not work. I have to put here array formula, then only it will work. I'm right. So what I have done the mistake over here, I didn't put array formula in this. Okay, let me put array formula. Now you see it's working. 3rd 4, like 3rd of April. Now put here 31st 30, it's showing 30 10. Let me put here 31st, it's showing 31st 4, not 4, sorry, 31st April is, there is no date, 3rd. Then now it's showing 3rd of April. Let me put here 1st of April 01 and 04. So now it's 3rd of April. If you put 2 also, it will show you the same. 2 also same, because 2 is also holiday. And if you put a 3, 3 also will show you the same for 3 only, because 3 is our holiday. So this is the how work. This is the what second condition. Now if you see this part is my condition. This part is my condition. If it is true, then it will run this. I'm correct. If it is not true, then it will be ask me the second condition, like next condition. Like example, I'll just put a next condition. Okay, so let me just put, it's not before 9 o'clock, it is not after 18 o'clock, it is between our working hour, like 10 o'clock. So it's showing me, give me the next condition. Okay, so this one, what is our next condition, that also I'll tell you. Now I'll copy this and I'll paste on this place and I'll press the enter. This also I'll take in array only. Now this one I'll delete and I'll go to the next condition. Let me change, this is condition. Next condition is, if received order within working hour, then it will provide time of received plus age given timeline, like 1 hour timeline, 2 hour timeline. What is our timeline? Okay, given timeline hour, this is not age hour, this is the age given timeline hours to be complete. This is second condition. Like third condition, it's mean last condition. Okay, also it will validate Sunday and holiday. Okay, that I'll tell you why I written this word. Also it will validate Sunday and holiday. Example, I received 3rd of April. I received a order on 3rd of April within working hour 10 o'clock. I received. So it should be what? It should be give me this plus this, simple. This plus this. received 10:20, I have to close by 11:20. But for example, if I received on Sunday, customer is customer. They are when they are free, that time they will place the order. Okay, they may place order on the Sunday, they may place order on a holiday, anytime. But let me assume that they place the order on Sunday 10:20. 10:20 is our working time, but this is not working day, right? So what it will show you? It will show you, again I put it here, April, March. It will show you that you have to give the, you have to clear this like by 10:20. It will give you the like option to clear by 10:20. But we don't want to clear it by the 10:20. We want to clear by the next day, next working hour, not next day, next working hour, because this date is our Sunday. So what to do? So we need to put here same formula we were put it here, this one, working hour formula, working days formula. This is our working days formula. Okay, this is the one. I'll just copy, simple, I'll just paste here. If this today A6 is greater than, not this, sorry, from here, from here, if weekday is equal to Sunday, then give me 1. Either if error match date value this with holiday, either HD, either HD, okay, holiday, then exact match, then either if error 0. If it is greater than 0, agar if that value it's coming that it is Sunday might be holiday, then it will come 1, more than 1. So if it is greater than 0, then give me 1, either you give me 0. This is the what our formula, right? So here is the tricks. If it is 0, then I don't want any kind of the further formula. I want this plus this. Okay, but if it is 1, then what I want? Then I want workday intl and s6, then comma, number of days is the 1, not 2 3 4, not required, 1 only. Okay, then comma, sorry, week of integration 1, then comma hd, working day finished. Okay, okay, that's fine. So here it is providing me that this will come this one, but I have done a mistake that I should not be, so I supposed to not change here, I supposed to not change here. Okay, let me do it from start. If weekday of this is equal to 1, then give me 1. Either you give me if error match date value of this, then match with date value hd. Okay, then comma exact figure, then now match is closed here. Now for the if error will be closed here only. Okay, now if this is greater than 1, then you give me, sorry, if greater than 0, then 1, either you give me 0. Now this if close, also this is also closed. Okay, so this is the one simple fundamental I have applied. Now I'll do copy this one. Again, if this is equal to 1, then what will happen? Workday intl this comma 1 comma 0000001 comma hd. Okay, then plus opening time 9 o'clock divided by 24 plus as given your timeline. Okay, if that not 1, if it is 0, then I want simple this plus 1. Okay, so now this time I have to copy and I need to replace with this next. Okay, but my better suggestion for you that whenever you are integrating this kind of the condition, keep that one delimiter in that. For an example, I'll paste to the next line. Okay, for this also, here my first condition close, here I'll paste to the next line. So like this you take, it is better to understand, and also whenever you want you can edit this easily. Okay, so now let me clear this. You take any kind of the date here. It will show you the correct value only. So this is the most important formula we are using in the FMS, flow management system, any kind of the task assign system. So it is the best formula to use. Okay. So our next video will be FMS creation. FMS is the has three type of FMS. One is the forward FMS. One is the backward FMS, another is the loop, either cycle FMS. And cycle FMS has two within step and with multiple step. So forward mean order received. Forward, I will just give you the example. Order received. Then it will move to the dispatch team. Dispatch team. Then it will move to the transporter team. Dispatch team, they will dispatch the order, and the transporter team, they will pick the order, they will send to the customer. Then it will go to the collection team to collect the money from transporter. From transporter, they will collect the money, they will give to company. So like that, one order received, then it will go to the dispatch team, then it will go to the transporter team, then it will go to the collection team. So like this, a forward FMS, and forward FMS has two types. Like one is keep label and another one is the each label. Okay, each label means none of the step will be skipped. For an example, one order received. You want to keep another step here. Check the stock availability. Check the stock availability. If stock available here, then it will go to the dispatch team. Dispatch team. Then what they will do, the dispatch, then transporter, then collection. Like transporter, then collection. If stock is not available, then it will go to the buyer team. Buyer team, they will buy the product. Once it is bought, they confirm that we have bought the stock. Then it will go to the dispatch team, then transporter team, then collection team. Okay. So this one is the each label. This is the skip label. Skip mean stock is available, so it will not go to this step, it will go to the directly this step. So this is the forward FMS. Forward has two types, skip and each label. One is the backward. Backward label, what is the backward label? For an example, I need advance from my company. I applied. Okay, applied. And it's went to accounts. Accounts will verify my previous like advance any pending or something. Either is there approval missing from the reporting manager or something. Okay, it will go to the accounts team. Accounts team will verify and make the payment. If it is verified, then that's fine. If it is not verified for any kind of the document, then again it will go come back to you to reapply that along with given the document proof either something. So this is the backward, it will move back, it will move back. What is the loop and a cycle? Loop mean one is the each within the step, one is the multiple step. For an example, I apply for a product, I'm a buyer and I applied to my vendor, I want XYZ product like mobile, Samsung mobile, I want that product. Okay. And currently that vendor doesn't have product and they are giving me commitment that this product will be reached by within 2 days. Then what it will happen? I can postpone my plan. I can postpone my plan. But it will ask me the next follow-up date. Next follow-up is the 2nd April. If I received the order, if I received the product, then that's fine. If not, then again I have to take the concern from vendor. It's supposed to be get delivered by 4th of April. What happened? Why it is not delivered? Then they told me that again it will deliver by the 4th of April due to some XYZ reason. Then I'll postpone that based on the next follow-up date. Within that step only it will keep in the loop. Okay, so that is the within step. Now what is the with multiple step? Multiple step mean example TCS filing. In this TCS filing, I filed a TCS in portal, but still I found that there is some variation. Okay, my account head told me that you have to refile that. Okay, first one is the accountant, second is the manager. Manager told that your TCS filing has not done successfully done. You check and refile that. Again, it will go back to the accountant. Okay. Again, they will file. Again, it will go to the manager. Again, they will approve. If you approve, then this is closed. If they don't approve, then again it will come to the account. Within this 2 step, either 3 step, either 4 step, it may be 5 step. Within that 5 step, it is keep looping that within from here to here, one door to another door. So how to do this? So these all are the FMS. We have to understand these all advanced FMS, very much advanced FMS. Okay. So wait for the next video, that is going to be very amazing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and like this video.